Welcome back to Estrada Nada.
Do
Goodbye! Goodbye!
I'm in it! Oh my god!
Welcome back, Estrada Nada gang. As you can see, we are going to attempt to clean this nasty shit up. Give you guys a little overview of what we got going on. We got some water in there, nothing crazy, you know. It's dirty than a motherfucker. We're gonna get started. We're gonna get started with this seat right here. We'll move our way around here. You'll see the whole process. That's a bunch of stuff we had laying around. I'll probably use it. I got this piece from Amazon. This extractor piece right here. We're gonna see how that works. And we're just gonna get started on it. This might take a minute, but gotta get this shit looking right. We're gonna peel that wrap off a little later once I'm done with this shit, you know. But I think it's gonna be a big transformation. Boom! Now you see it completely different. This side was so much easier because a lot of dirt didn't get on it. You can see the big difference. Look at that. God damn. Now you see this. Clean that. And that. Still gotta get in there. Look at that door hang. I'll give it a quick snap. Damn. Yep. This one came out a lot better. I'll have to do that one more time. I'm gonna have to move on to the back seat next and do a little quick snap. Quick. Fuck, and work. Damn. You see, it's all done. Back of the back seats, or back of the front seats. Alright, as you guys can see, we got this thing off. The key that goes under here, there. Well, I didn't have it, so had to pull this panel off. Pull this right here, boom, and then as you can see, opens that up, open that up. Batteries right there. Has a little toolkit. Battery's big dead, but we do got service manual. Dirty as a fuck. You guys can see it right there. The seat's not bad, it's just ashy. But if you gotta redo it, shouldn't be too hard. Couple staples there. Call it good. Welcome back. This is another day. Today we're gonna fuck with this one. It's a little bright. I just went to Chevy. You just gotta show them proof that you own the vehicle, and they'll make you a key. This key right here Cost me 26 bucks. Actually, it's actually really good. Because the locksmith was trying to charge me $200. He was like, just go to Chevy, they'll do it for cheaper. I was like, I bet. So now is the moment of truth. I mean, it should fucking work. Oh yeah, beautiful. It's not gonna start up right now because we don't have a battery. And there's no oil in the engine right now. So, you guys seen it? I need to get a battery for it. And then I gotta put some oil in here. And then we'll hear the first startup of the big ass wannabe monster truck, motherfucker. This is a redneck vehicle. But solid. I don't know whose fucking cup this is. But yeah, it worked. So I will go run to the store, get a battery for it, oil in here. We'll see what happens with it.
Dale, nada, ni el clic hace. Ahorita voy por las medicinas.
Unless the bitch needs gas.
Yeah, as you guys can see, it's running now. Yeah. This is what we got going on in here right now. Welcome back to another part of this video. See, I got my big bucket on. Don't worry about it. You know, it's just hot as shit out here, boy. Where the fuck did David go? We got the bike running, actually. I've already ridden it. Oh, he's over there. I think he's just gonna make a loop or something. Let's see if I can show you guys. Fucking diesel died on me. Gotta get it towed. Another car down. What'd you just buy, dude?
So we just bought the new whip from Copart. This is the new 18-wheeler.
Shit.
Yep.
What you put on here, a mobile home or some shit?
You can put on whatever you want. You can take anything.
You wanna take us around?
Come over here to the back. Drop this down. You can, like I said, everything you want. We can pick it up.
You can tow it, huh?
We have a W16 in the front, 4 turbos.
Damn.
Yeah, it's the same engine as the Bugattis, same exact one. Also the wheels, look at that, brand new. And also the exhaust, custom.
Oh my goodness. Hey, nice whip.
Huh?
Nice whip.
Thanks.
Oh my god, lift this shit. It's making it worse.